Hi guys, this is Lumie and today I'm so excited because our new iPhones have just delivered. This is the very first time that I've had a brand new iPhone like this. Before I just used something like the iPhone 6s and the iPhone 7 Plus, but they were both the second-hand ones. And here's my husband unboxing his new phone. We ordered the same models, which is iPhone 12 Pro Max Pacific Blue version 128 GB. Okay, now my turn. According to Apple, because there are billions of their accessories such as adapters, cables, earpods out there, new ones often go unused. That's why they are removing them from the box in order to reduce carbon footprint. Well, it sounds like inconvenient at first, but the reason is awesome, right? So we only have an iPhone, a USB-C to Lightning cable, and a documentation in the box. Such a beautiful, luxurious, unique color in my opinion, with a matte finish which means fingerprint resistant. However, the chassis is made of stainless steel and is polished, therefore leaving a lot of sweat and fingerprints is inevitable. And here we have the Broad 12MP camera system and 1 lidar scanner. This is the front after I applied the glass screen protector on it. In fact, it is the biggest iPhone ever with the 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display. Right here we have the Lightning connector, built-in microphones and built-in stereo speaker. On the right side of the iPhone, we have the power button, and the oval hole underneath the power button is a window that allows 5G signals to pass through the case. These buttons are ring and silent, volume up and down, and a SIM card tray. Now let's move on to the home screen. As you can see, there are a lot of built-in apps that have been available already. And there are also some free apps from Apple are pre-installed, and if you don't want them or they are unnecessary, you can easily uninstall them. Okay, now head to the settings and then control center. I will choose some apps to customize the controls, like voice memos, and then let's see, music recognition. Awesome, that's it. I also recommend an app for you, especially for the new iPhone users. Its name is Tips and it's a free app from Apple. You can flip through collections of tips on a specific topic, and then you can learn helpful hints and suggestions for your iOS device and its built-in apps. If you want more information, just access to the official website of Apple, then follow my instructions to get more details about tech specs. Well, I'm not a professional reviewer or something like that, and I'm not good at technology either, but yeah, you know, it's just my very raw experience and feeling. So anyway, thank you for watching. See ya!